morning. Welcome back to our EVS class. Children, in last class we have completed our lesson Weather and Seasons. We have completed notebook also, children, hard words and question and answers. Today I will send you activity part. You have to draw an umbrella and color it. Okay, children? So after completing activity, we will complete the notes of weather and seasons. So today in this class I am going to teach you animal world lesson. Already I have taught you in the class, but some of the students have missed it. So once again I am going to revise the lesson 13 animal world, term 6 book, children. Okay. So do you know animals? We will see many animals now outside. Dog, cat, sheep, goat, many animals we can see around us. So do you know wild animals, children? Yes. When we go to zoo, there we can see the wild animals. Why wild animals are kept in zoo only? Why they are not surrounding us? Why they are not there around us? Because these wild animals are very dangerous. So that's why they are kept in zoo. We can see in forest also, isn't it? So today we are going to learn about animal world. Okay? Open your term 6 book. Lesson name is Animal World. Okay, children? Some animals live in the jungle. They are called wild animals. For example, like lions, tigers, cheetah, birds and elephants. All these are called wild animals. So, domestic animals. Do you know domestic animals? Like horses, pigs, donkeys. These all are called domestic animals. They live near our house only. They are also called farm animals. These are called farm animals. Some animals live in farms near our houses. They are called farm animals. Like horses, donkeys, pigs, chickens, hens, goats, sheep. All these are called farm animals. Same like that, pet animals, children. Do you know pet animals? The animals which live with us in our house. Those are called pet animals. We should love and take care of them. These pet animals and farm animals, both these are called domestic animals. Okay? Pet animals and farm animals are called domestic animals. So all these animals will be helpful in our daily life. See, for example, who gives us milk? Cow gives us milk. Like that only. We get eggs also from hen and duck. See page number 37, children. How are animals useful for us? Animals are very useful for us. Like we get milk from cow and goat. We get eggs from hen and duck. Animals such as donkeys also help us to carry loads. See the picture here, children. Donkey. See, this donkey is helping to carry the load. Like that only cow also. See, some animals help us to travel from one place to another. Like this, these animals also help us to carry goods from one place to another. Next animal is sheep. Sheep also gives us wool. Are you wearing sweaters, monkey caps? Where we are getting, children? From the sheep only we are getting wool. From wool they are making sweaters, monkey caps, like this. Okay? And farmers use animals such as bullocks to plough their fields. See, even the farmer also using the cows to plough the field. See, like this. So all these animals are helping in our daily life. So next animal is camel. Do you know camel, children? Where can we see camel? In the deserts. Desert is very hot and dry place. In deserts, the climate is very hot. And we use camels to travel in the desert. In desert, how can we go? By the camel only takes us from one place to another. Camel can stay in desert without food and water for many days. See, children, here. Camel can live without food and water. Can we live without food and water? No, we cannot live. But camel can live for many days without food and water. So this camel is called sheep of the desert. What is this called, children? sheep of the desert. So now we can know about homes of animals. See, dog lives in a kennel. You can see the picture here. See, dog lives in a kennel. This is called kennel. Like that. Cow lives in cowshed. See, cowshed. This is called cowshed. Next, horse live in a stable. This horse house is called stable. Okay, these are the houses. Animals such as dog guards our houses. See, dog is guarding the house. Okay, next, birds. Do you see birds? Yes, we can see many birds flying in the sky. These animal friends have feathers and beaks. Birds are having big feathers and it is having a beak also. They are called birds. Most birds have wings and can fly. All these birds will fly. And birds also lays eggs. Where birds live, children? Birds live in nest. And the next is insects. Do you know insects? Small animals are called insects. Insects live everywhere in our house. We can see many insects like housefly, mosquito, spider, all these we can see around us. But these insects can live in forest, in roads, in our house, everywhere we can see the insects. Some insects can fly and some insects can crawl. Okay? So this is our lesson about animal world, children. We have completed our textual exercise also, but once again I will give the PDF. Please complete who did not complete. Okay, children? That's all for today. Thank you.